described as a great leap for Ben Amodu and his herbal products came when ANDI, which is an acronym for Africa Network for Drugs and Diagnostics Innovation, a World Health Organization initiative that has the sole aim to promote and sustain African-led health products to address African public health needs through efficient use of local knowledge, assembly of research networks, and building of capacity to support economic development, took interest in Ben Amodu's herbal remedies and subsequently invited him alongside other African researchers to the 4th ANDI Stakeholders Meeting and Donor Conference held at the United Nations Conference Center in Addis Ababa, Ethiopia from the 24th to 27th of October 2011. The widespread resistance to malaria parasites to conventional anti-malarials have stimulated the search for new drug entities, especially those with new modes of action. It was on this premise that Herbal, an anti-malaria herbal remedy discovered and manufactured by Ben Amodu, was showcased at ANDI alongside other discoveries by other African researchers. ANDI officials and other stakeholders at the meeting spoke highly of Amodu's herbal remedy and its potentials.
I think we are seeing a lot of excitement, and the hope is that we can sustain this activity now by mobilizing additional resources, and really we are hoping that in the coming 2 or 3 years we can already have a product in the market.
If you back traditional knowledge with scientific evidence, Africa will sell. These products will sell even to non-African countries. That's the missing link, and this is what has happened in the case of Amodu's product. We and other centers have provided specific studies that has provided evidence that it could be a worthwhile product.
It's quite commendable that more than half of those who presented so far are Nigerians, and not only Nigerian but are good researchers, because all the papers which were presented so far are commendable. All of the papers which were presented, particularly on one which is a product which is already in market, a natural product, refers to as Herbal. Which is good for anti-malaria, stress, so many other diseases, which is very good. And when you look at that drug, he has already conducted what we call toxicity studies. That means to determine the safety of the drug, as well as efficacy studies to determine the efficacy of the drug. These are with what is on ground. That means with parametamine and chloroquine, which is still in use in the treatment of malaria. So it's quite commendable. From the point of legislation or National Assembly, I think we are fully ready, because we said it's no longer business as usual. We have our agenda, and we are definitely ready to assist with either legislation or any kind of assistance which will promote herbal drug development, as well as research in Nigerian universities, research institutes, as well as a private laboratory like that of Mr. Amodu, as well as research institute like NAPRID.
Expectation is that out of Nigeria, abundant natural resources which has not been tapped in terms of international opportunities. We have a product which we locally developed using our Center of Excellence, the Nigeria Institute of Pharmaceutical Research and Development, and that has caught the eye of an international organization like a WHO, because Andy is an agent of WHO, and to that extent I'm very happy, and the expectation is that my product could be selected for any of the trials, be it a clinical trial, be it for manufacturing purposes or whatever. I am very, very happy.
I must say that